I'm going to try to show y'all really quickly how to make scrambled eggs in a microwave. Okay, I use cage-free eggs. You need some cooking spray. So you want to have a clean bowl. Spray your bowl. Spray your bowl so it don't stick too much. Crack your eggs in. I'm going to do about 6 because we need about 6. And I'm going to boil the other half for my meal prep. I like to have my boiled eggs in the morning. 4, 5. The kids really like eggs, so they like cheesy scrambled eggs anyway. So then you want to season. You don't need a lot of that because it's basically salt based. Put some pepper in there. And I'm not using seasoning like I usually do. Just a sprinkle of salt. Because I put seasoning in the fried potatoes that's on the stove now. You wanna, if you eat cheese, you wanna sprinkle some cheese in. Or this is where you put your vegan cheese or whatever in. And then you use a fork. Looking for a fork. I use my big fork. You want to use a fork in between, so you just beat it up like you usually would. Beat up eggs and put some more pepper. And then you put it in the microwave. And you put it in intervals. So I'm going to put it in for a minute first. And then I'm going to come back and check it. Stir it. And then, so you put it in for 1 minute. And then I'm going to be back. You want to keep stirring. So I don't stick to the sides too much. Just put 2 minutes. Now, see, it's still soft under the bottom. This is the part that makes them scramble, and this is why you want to use a fork. Okay, break it up. Make sure your cheese is getting all around because your cheese will sit on the top. And just break it down and keep putting it back in until they are the consistency that you like. Some people like theirs a little soft. I like to make sure ours are completely done so that the kids won't be eating raw eggs. So I'm going to put it on 2 more minutes. So they go to fried potatoes. That's mine. It's got some onions and peppers in there. And that's for the kids. And we just got to wait for the eggs to finish. I'm going to put mine right in the same bowl with the eggs. See how they look. So I'm going to overdo it. Okay. See that? It's one piece. It's the part where you got to make it scramble. Look at that. Nice fluffy scrambled eggs. Nice fluffy cheesy scrambled eggs. Hold up, y'all. I'm trying to get the camera right. Okay. And of course, you can leave it in a little bit longer if you like them a little bit wetter. You can add more cheese on this part. Or whatever. Ketchup if you like. And there you have it. Microwave cheesy eggs. I like my potatoes extra fried. I didn't fry the kids so much. 1 pan, just for the potatoes. Cut the potatoes at night. Cut your onions and peppers and stuff at night. Put my potatoes right in the same bowl that I scrambled the eggs in. And that's all we gotta wash is these dishes in the pot.